In the 21st century, equality has become a much discussed issue. But what exactly do we mean by it? Let's begin with an idea which few people would disagree with: equality of opportunity. It supposes that there should be no barriers to advancement and that no one ought to be discriminated against. It means that everyone should be given the chance to succeed and live the best life possible through education and access to high-quality services. While someone may not have much in the way of disposable income and may be struggling to make ends meet, they should still be able to develop their abilities fully and get on in life. That is what equality of opportunity is all about. It's difficult to disagree with, for most of us would like to live in a society that's fair. After all, when people succeed on account of their hard work, dedication and commitment, and not because of their having had a much better start in life, it's easier to celebrate their achievements. But there's a problem. Is true equality of opportunity actually possible in a free society? Won't affluent citizens always pay for private education and healthcare, which are unaffordable for most people? And doesn't that mean that some people will always have an advantage in life? These questions are difficult to answer. Another important idea is equality of outcome. This is the notion that everyone should have an equal share in the spoils of a society and that everyone should end up in the same place in life. This idea is not as widely accepted. Would it mean a society in which a cleaner is paid the same as a brain surgeon? And would it be fair if they were? Clearly, we must decide what we mean by equality before we can achieve it. It may be wiser to put less emphasis on the need for governments to make everything equal and more on encouraging everyone to take the responsibility for it themselves. We are part of a society and should look beyond ourselves and our own needs. There will always be inequalities in life, but we can all work hard to ensure that people are not discriminated against and do whatever we can to make sure the most disadvantaged have the means to live a better life.